Yesterday, details on the Vivo X300 Pro camera specs leaked. Today there are more details on the rest of the phone. The X300 Pro is said to have a flat 6.8-inch display with 1.5K resolution, possibly the same as on the X200 Pro. The Vivo X300 Pro will have a large 7000 mAh battery. This device will allegedly get a 50MP main camera using Sony's Leica LYT-828 paired with a 50MP ultrawide and a 200MP periscope telephoto using a 1/1.4 type sensor. The telephoto camera will reportedly get a new coating technology that will alleviate lens flare. The X300 Pro will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500. The X200 Pro launched back in October, and the X300 Pro may be unveiled around the same time, or perhaps even earlier, as the Dimensity 9500 chipset could be announced in September. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.